morning class 9. This is your part 1 video from exercise 17, that is trigonometrical ratio. Totally new exercise, new chapter. Okay, before we start the chapter, first of all you learn some basic terms that using in this chapter. You learn some thetas. Okay, what these are thetas? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. These are 6 kind of thetas you learn in this chapter. The first one is about perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, you using perpendicular by hypotenuse or using height by hypotenuse. How? Okay, first of all we draw a triangle. This is your triangle. Okay, and this is very important that this is right angle triangle. Always 90 is there because we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. So for sin theta is height, you using perpendicular or height. So this is height because suppose angle is here. So sin theta we using opposite of angle is called height and opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. Okay, opposite of angle is called height. We just use the short term, that is h, and opposite of 90 is hypotenuse. So that's why I use hy for this as a short term. So for sin theta, height by hypotenuse. For cos theta, this is base. Okay, base by hypotenuse, and for sin theta, it's height by base. Okay, there is a reciprocal relation between sin theta and cosec theta. If sin theta is height by hypotenuse, so cosec theta is hypotenuse by height because there is a reciprocal relation. Okay, if cos theta is base by hypotenuse, so sec theta is hypotenuse by base. If tan theta is height by base, so cos theta is base by height. Okay, this is formula, and again we write down here reciprocal relation. That is sin theta equals to 1 by sin theta reciprocate with cosec, that is 1 by cosec theta. Okay, cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta because cos relate with sec. Okay, tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta. Okay, and cot theta, cot relate with tan, that is 1 upon tan theta. Okay, tan 1 by cot, cot 1 by tan. Okay, and sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta, and cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. And one thing also you write for sin theta, tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, this is also, and for cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. These are the basic formulas that use in this chapter. Please note it down, all these formulas. But major thing we always remember that opposite of 90 is hypotenuse, opposite of angle is height, and the left portion is base. And this 6 thetas. Okay, what are the values? Height by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. Okay, so the first question from this exercise start, that is number 1, find the values of number 1, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, and this is your diagram given in the question. Given that is 15 and 12, and it has O, M, P and 90 is given here. Okay, so first of all you see that opposite of 90 is hypotenuse is given and the base is given here, but the height is not given here. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. So hypotenuse is 15 square, height is not given here, and base is 12 square. So 15 square, that is 225. This is 12 square, height square plus 144. So 225 minus 144 equals to h square. Okay, so 181 equals to height square. So therefore height equals to root under 81, that is 9. Okay, so this is your 9. Then first question about sine theta. We know that sine theta is height by hypotenuse. So this is your angle here. Suppose let it, so I think mention is here. There is mention that this is your angle. So opposite of angle is height, that is 9, and opposite of hypotenuse given here, that is 15. So sine theta is 9 upon 15. Done. Next question is cos theta. We know that the formula of cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So base is 12 because this is height, this is hypotenuse, and this is your base. So base is 12 and hypotenuse is 15. So 12 upon 15. Next, tan theta. What is tan theta formula? Tan theta formula is height by base. So height is 9 and base by 12, that is 9 by 12. Okay, now cot theta. If you are interested to write the cot theta, that is base by height, or otherwise directly you know that the reciprocal relation between tan theta or cot theta. So base theta is 12 and height is 9. So answer is 12 by 9, and we don't know that very well the reciprocal relation between tan theta and cot theta. You see, tan theta answer is 9 by 12 and cot theta answer is 12 by 9 because there is a reciprocal relation between tan theta and cot theta. Okay, so now turn for sec theta. You also write down, we know that cos theta reciprocate with sec theta. So if cos theta is 12 by 15, so sec theta is 15 by 12, and the formula is here hypotenuse by base. Okay, now turn for cosec theta. We know that there is a reciprocal relation between sin theta or cosec theta. If sin theta is 9 by 15, then cosec theta is 15 upon 9, and the formula is reciprocate, that is hypotenuse by height. Okay, note. Question number 2 is interesting. Please check this question. Find the value of number 1 sin B, number 2 cos C, number 3 sin B plus sin C, number 4 sin B cos C plus sin C cos B. Okay, and diagram is given here in this manner. Okay, first of all, you see this is 90, that means hypotenuse is given, this portion is given, this portion is not given. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. Okay, so in place of hypotenuse write down 10 square equals to, in place of height is 6 square and base is not given. We consider this one is base. Okay, 10 square is 100 minus 6 square is 36 equals to base square. Okay, base square equals to 64, therefore base equals to root under 64, that is 8. So this one is 8. But this question is totally different from the previous one. How? You see here. Here the question is sin B cos C. But in the previous question you see sin theta cos theta. Your theta is fixed in a position. But in this question you see sin B. One time angle is here. But in this question cos C angle is totally changed because angle comes in this side. Okay, that means we know that when the angles change, height is also changed because we know that opposite of angle is height or perpendicular. but the hypotenuse is fixed because 90 is never changes position, so this is fixed, that is this is hypotenuse. What the changes come? Changes comes between height and base. Okay, if this one is angle, if this one is angle, so this one is height and this one is base. If if angle is here, so opposite of angle, that means this one is height and this one is base. Clear? Okay, see, the first question is sine B. Sine B, that means angle is here. Okay, because B, sine B, we know that the formula of sine B, that is height by hypotenuse. Height by hypotenuse. So angle is here. What is height? This is your height. AC. We write down the name also, AC. And hypotenuse is, this one is hypotenuse because we know that opposite of 90 is hypotenuse, that is BC. So BC. So AC by BC. AC is 8 and BC by 10, that is 8 by 10. But when the question come in cos C, that is cos C, question we know that base by hypotenuse. Okay, so in question cos C, the position getting changed for the angle. So cos C, this one angle is here, we know that opposite of angle is height and this one is base, and this one as it is hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse, base is AC and hypotenuse BC. Again the answer is 8 by 10, but the question is different. You see, there is sine and cos. If this is also come 8 by 10, this is also 8 by 10. Why? Because the angle is totally different in both the questions. Okay, now turn for question number 3. What the question number 3? Sine B plus sine C. For sine B, you know that AC by BC, because you already find out. For sine C, that means angle is here, opposite of angle, this is height and this is what? Base, and this is hypotenuse. We know that the formula of sine is height by hypotenuse. So height is AB and hypotenuse same as BC. So you see both the question about the sine, but the here totally different. Here is AC, here is AB. Why? Because only of angle, because angle is fluctuating, angle is changing. Here is the angle, one time this is angle and second time this is the angle. So that's why the answer is also came differ. Okay, so AC by BC, AC is 8 by 10 and AB is 6 and BC is 10, that is 6 by 10. So for this question answer is 10, 8 plus 6, that is 14 by 10. Okay, if you want to reduce the term, so you cut it down, that is 4 by 5, 4 by 5, and here is 7 by 5. Okay, now 4 number question. The 4 number question is sine B cos C plus sine C cos B. First of all, you see sine B answer is already come, that is 4 by 5. Okay, into cos C answer is also come 4 by 5. Okay, sin C is also come 6 by 10. Now cos B. For cos B, angle is here. When the angle is here, cos B, that means this is height, because we know that opposite of angle is height and the left portion is base, and this is as it is hypotenuse. We know that for cos B, because cos B is only left here, cos B formula is base by hypotenuse. So B, cos B, angle is here, so opposite of angle is height, base and hypotenuse. So base, now base is AB and hypotenuse is BC. So AB is 6 and BC is 10, that is 6 by 10. So here is answer is 6 by 10. Okay, this is 16 by 25 and it is again you want to cut it on, that is 3 by 5 or 3 by 5. So this is 3 3 is 9, 5 5 is 25. So the answer is 25, 16 plus 9, that is 25 by 25, it's 1. So the answer is 1 for this question. Okay, for question number 4. Note. Question number 5. In question number 5, given a right angle triangle, okay, and tan A equals to 5 by 12, find cos A and number 2 question is cosec A minus cot A. So right angle triangle, acute angle, angle is given A, B, C. We know that tan A given, tan A that means height by base, okay, height by base. So A is here, so opposite of A is height, that is 5, and base is 12 is given here. So first of all you calculate the hypotenuse portion, okay, by Pythagoras theorem. We know that hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. Hypotenuse don't know, height is 5 square and base is 12 square. So this is 25 plus 144, that is 169. So hypotenuse square equals to 169. So hypotenuse, that is root under 169, is 13. So this portion is come 13. Okay. Question is about cos A. That means angle is here. Cos A formula we know that variable base by hypotenuse. Okay. So this is angle is here. That means this one is height and base is this line. So AB. And hypotenuse is fixed because opposite of 90 is hypotenuse is AC. So AB is 12 and AC is 13, that is 12 by 13. Okay. Now cosec A. Cosec A formula you know that hypotenuse by height minus cot A. Cot A formula is height by base. Okay. Here is tan A is 5 by 12, then cot A is 12 by 5, because we know that there is a reciprocal relation. So minus it is 12 by 5. Okay, now for cosec A. Cosec is hypotenuse is 13 and height is 5. So 13 minus 12, that is 1 upon 5. Okay, note.